So welcome everyone to this tutorial again today. So as we all know, my name is Joshua and you're actually watching Animals Pro tutorial. So now today we'll be doing something about I will be teaching you guys how to go about your JAMB reprint. That's what we call examination print. I will slip, that is examination slip, to print out your examination slip. Some important details on your registration on your examination slip, sorry, are your placement, your place of exam, the time of your exam, and any other necessary information will be on that jump examination slip. So now I've been getting a lot of messages on Jamb Reprint. Tell us when Jamb Reprint will start. Tell us when we'll know. Tell us when we are going to write exam. A lot of questions. So I said, okay, let me address the question in this video. So now I will tell you everything you need to do about Jamb Reprint. The thing is, currently, I think you guys know that registration is still ongoing. You understand? So since registration is still ongoing, I think the sales of e-pins for registration will stop today, and I think that is on 5th, today being 5th of March, right? So the sales of pin will stop this March 5th, and I think on 8th, I think so, yeah, the registration will be closed. So I think registration after the close of the registration this thing period, that is when on they will now start the process for the JAMB reprint. Just in case you are watching this video, just to know that this is basic way of going about your JAMB reprint. I will still give you the steps on how to do your JAMB reprint, but just in case you should know, it has not started. Do you understand? It has not started. So all you need to do is to come to JAMB. Just search for JAMB reprint and you see print examination slip. That is just it. That is just it. So all you need to go is to come here and input your registration number 2025 2025. So every JAMB registration number ends with an alphabet, so with two alphabets. So after entering it, you just print it. Do you understand? After entering it, you print it. That is how it is. It is not something hard, but you should know that if you try it now, you will not get it because the JAMB reprint has not started. And if there is any other thing you need to know about JAMB, you can drop a message, drop a comment, and I'll actually check the comments. I will do a video on them. You can take a stroll on the channel and you see different videos there. All videos like this are there, and it's to help you people. So if you still need videos like this, yeah, because a lot of videos like this are coming, so you subscribe so that the subscription is free. So whenever I drop any new video, you'll be notified that I've dropped the video. So thank you for watching.